Is learning an instrument giving you the blues? It's time for a breakthrough. Learn your favorite songs in minutes, not weeks, with the Populele 2 Pro Smart Ukulele. With smart LED lights for fun and easy fingering, a built-in preamp for epic sound, Populele 2 Pro will have you playing your favorite songs fast and interesting. Learn any song you want from our vast musical library. Pop? Classic? You name it, we've got it. And you can learn any song right from home with fun, easy tutorial videos right at your fingertips. Ditch the textbooks. Learning music should be fun. Populele uses a new game-like strategy to allow you closer to mastery in a way you'll love.
Go!
And our patented music recognition listens while you play, offering helpful feedback and giving you a nudge when you're out of tune. Smart LED lights show you exactly where to put your fingers next, lighting up a path to perfect chords. Forget sheet music. The app lets you control your speed of play. Just set the pace and follow the lights to your favorite song's chords. A solid carbon fiber body makes the Populele light, strong, and ready to deliver exceptional sound for years. Unlike wood, it never expands in the heat or shrinks in the cold, so your sound always stays true. We also added a powerful preamplifier that delivers studio-quality sound effects like delay, reverb, and chorus. Plus, we built the Populele with eco-friendly materials, so it keeps our promise for a more sustainable planet, while performing at an even higher level than some wooden instruments. Founded in 2015, we set out to change the future of music and become the leader in musical education and smart instruments. With our Poputar Smart Guitar and Populele Smart Ukulele launched on Indiegogo to great success before, this year, we're excited to welcome the Populele 2 Pro to the family, bringing music to even more people around the world. We hope you'll take the journey with us.